Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, choose Keyboard and Input method. Select Keyboard and tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!